Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into O'Reilly Automotive's latest earnings report for the first quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. O'Reilly Automotive, a leader in the automotive aftermarket industry, has just released their Q1 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack. Let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. O'Reilly Automotive reported a revenue of $4.14 billion for the first quarter, which is a 4% increase from the previous year. John, can you elaborate on their profitability metrics?
Absolutely. The gross profit also saw a 4% increase, reaching $2.12 billion, which is 51.3% of sales. However, despite the revenue growth, net income slightly decreased by 2% to $538 million. This was due to an 8% increase in selling, general, and administrative expenses. Nevertheless, diluted earnings per share increased by 2% to $9.35, reflecting the company's share repurchase efforts.
Comparable store sales and market strategy. O'Reilly reported a 3.6% growth in comparable store sales, which is quite impressive. What does this indicate about their market strategy?
This growth is indeed impressive and is at the high end of their expectations. It reflects solid performance in both professional and DIY segments. The company opened 38 new stores in the first quarter, which aligns with their strategy to expand their footprint and capture more market share. They are maintaining their full-year guidance for comparable store sales growth between 2.0% and 4.0%.
Share repurchase program and financial position. O'Reilly has been actively repurchasing shares. Can you tell us more about their share repurchase program and its impact?
O'Reilly repurchased 0.4 million shares at an average price of $297.15, totaling $559 million in the first quarter. This is part of their ongoing strategy to return value to shareholders. They have approximately $1.81 billion remaining under their current share repurchase authorization, which indicates a strong financial position and commitment to enhancing shareholder value.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 9.83 cents for O'Reilly, but the actual EPS came in at 9.35 cents. How should investors interpret this?
The actual EPS of $9.35 fell short of the forecasted 9.83 cents, which was based on a survey of 13 analysts. This miss can be attributed to higher operating expenses. However, the company's strategic initiatives and strong market position suggest that they are well-positioned for future growth, despite this short-term miss.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's discuss O'Reilly's operational efficiencies and their outlook for the rest of the year.
O'Reilly's operating income was $741 million, with an operating margin of 17.9%. They are projecting full-year revenue between $17.4 billion and $17.7 billion. The company is focused on expanding its store network and enhancing customer service, which are key drivers for their future growth. Despite external challenges like tariffs, they remain optimistic about their growth opportunities.
Key takeaways. In summary, O'Reilly Automotive has shown solid revenue growth and strategic expansion, although they missed the EPS forecast. Their commitment to store expansion and customer service positions them well for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. O'Reilly's performance this quarter highlights their resilience and strategic focus. Investors should keep an eye on their expansion plans and market conditions.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on O'Reilly's performance in the comments below.